I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, hit that subscribe button and welcome to our family. And if you're old to my channel, what it do, what's good, what's up, it's your girl back again for another video. And today I'm so excited to be doing a review of the Clove and the Clove and Hallow makeup. First and foremost, thank you to Clove and Hallow for reaching out to me and letting me review your products. I'm so excited to be doing this review. And so with this review, I'm going to be doing a full face. I've already like prepped myself for what I don't have. So we're going to get to this review. I'm going to give you the truth about this makeup and let's get into this video. So we're gonna start this review and y'all know how I am. Review will be non-biased. I'm just not gonna lie to you, non-biased. We're gonna read it for filth. Let me just say, I love this packaging. I would just say receiving PR boxes, I like a little bit of something into it, like a little written letter or something, you know, to make me feel like a person. But that's okay, that's perfectly fine. So I got a dual eyeshadow brush, lipstick, palette, some bronzer, and the carrying case that goes, the compact that goes in the bronzer, some mascara. What I did read on this packaging was it's clean 15, so it's 93% natural. It's free from parabens, synthetic dyes, fragrances, animal byproducts, stuff like that. So I do appreciate that this is a safe product. It's free from animal cruelty, which I look for things like this in my makeup. I think I'm gonna start with the eyes. I've already prepped my face, like I said earlier, with the things I don't have. So I don't have foundation, I don't have concealer. I mean, Clove and Hallow, if you want to send me foundation and concealer, let me try that, please. I like this packaging. I love sleek architecture, designs. I like geometric shapes. So this, I love this. In this palette you have a brown, I think this is an orange, a goldish color, a pinkish, a nude, and then a light gold color. I don't see color names. Let's break out the brush. They're dual eyeshadow brush. I actually picked this eyeshadow brush because I love dual head brushes. They're just easier to work with, especially because I travel a lot. I'm always on the go, so I need a brush that give me the best of both worlds. Come on out here, little brush. Come on. Okay, it's hard to get out the packaging, which I guess I love because, I mean, that means anybody and everybody won't be tampering with it. Okay, it's got a little glue on it. This is gonna bother me because okay, I like that the packaging is very secure. I don't like that I gotta fight to get some of this stuff off. We don't like that part because OCD people like me shouldn't have to struggle to get stuff like this off. But yeah, that kind of just messed up my little brush, just like glue on there. So the brush feels really soft. It's got a kind of a Q-tip head here, and then this is kind of a flat head, defined brush here. Let's get started with this palette. I'm feeling like a nude. I really want to see how this works, so we're just gonna start with the brown first, and the brown, which is here, and we're gonna work our way outward. Good lather. Okay. Afraid of the fallout. Like I'm ready to see what fallout it is. It also blends with my skin. Like it's not really a transition color per se. It just blends with my skin. If I want to make a transition color, it's not really there, you know. This makes me kind of scared for this orange color, which I was gonna try next. So that's the brown. It's all right. It's just all right. It ain't like the best. So I'm gonna do the orange color next on my lid. This might be the perfect like shade that I've been looking for. This brown is actually the perfect shade for if I want to do like a nude eyeshadow, and I can never find like my actual eye lid color. This is the brown. This is, well, it's not brown, it's orange. This is the orange, but it's brown for me. So I like this color. We're going for a nude look anyway. Like, I want a real good natural beat, and that's what we're gonna do today, a natural beat. So far I don't have fallout, which I appreciate. Like, there's no fallout, no nothing. I do say that applying it, it feels like it moves very well, but it also feels like it wipes off. Like once I put like a lot on my brush, it went whew. Just gonna blend those two together. Just taking that dark brown again, blending. I am gonna use the gold in my tear duct. Hopefully the gold shows up better than the other colors. Here's this gold right here. Good on the brush. Let's see. I don't know about this. All right, so we see that the gold shows up, but not to my liking. I don't know about this Clove Hallow. This is not really my favorite palette. I'm just gonna take the rest of the colors and swatch them on my hands, and those are the rest of the swatches. So it looks really pretty for a finger swatch, but if your brush doesn't take up as much as what you're talking about, then it's different. It's not my favorite, but it's doable. It's a doable palette. It gives me that color that I've been looking for a while. I've been looking for this brown color for my lids for a natural beat for a while, and I actually stopped looking for it for a while. The brush is really soft. It's really soft, but also it doesn't pick up the makeup as well. For the next product, I got bronzer, and I tried to get the darkest bronzer, but I ended up messing this up. I got San Juan, but I was told that the darkest bronzer is Bora Bora, so my bad. But I was gonna use it as a contour. I think this is dark enough. We're gonna try it as a contour. If not, I feel like it could just be a all over type thing. And again, the refillable compact. Again, I love this packaging. I like it. I love it. It's very chic and simple and eye-catching at the same time. Compact comes like this. So packaging of the compact matches the packaging of products, and then it's like a kind of a magnet thing that goes in there and it slides out, and then it has this little hole in the back that you can like put through and like pop the compact out. So this brush is clean. We're gonna take this brush, try to use this as a bronzer contour. Let's see what it does. So far I can't really use this as a contour because it is my color. So I'm just gonna take it all over and use it as an all over powder. So this will just mattify me, which is fine. I like that they have my exact color. A lot of people don't have my exact color. I kind of wish I would have got the darker one so I could contour and see how that looks on there, but we're gonna just do a slight contour with one of my other brushes so it complete the look. I do like this. I don't really have any bad words for this compact. I like the compact. I like the product. The product is, it didn't fall out on my t-shirt. Let me just make sure. Yep, it didn't fall out on my t-shirt, which I appreciate. There's a lot of contours, a lot of bronzers, and really bad fallout. So I appreciate that there's no fallout. We're gonna try this mascara. Now, mascaras are hit and miss. Ooh, guys, this is my first time actually opening the packaging, seeing everything first time. I like this shape. I like the shape of the mascara. I like that they have their brand on the front. Hopefully this mascara can live up to the packaging. Okay, so bristles, let's see if you can see that. Bristles are, they look a little hard. Once I took it out the mascara, I heard it, you know, heard the sound. So I know the bristles are hard. Yeah, let's try. I have on no mascara. Oh wow. Okay. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see my eyelashes, but they're long. Like, they look like I got on lashes. The big. Okay, well, so far, good serum, elongates my lashes. We love it. It doesn't give me those clumps. You know how people had them, like mascaras had them clumps? It don't have that clumpy. Like every time I go over it, it's not clumping. It's just like seamless. We like a seamless look. We do. Sometimes hard bristles irritate my lashes, but the fact that these are hard bristles and they're soft at the same time, I like this. Okay, the bottom lash will be the judge. The bottom lashes will be the judge. Okay, I think I just found my new mascara. Yes sir, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Cause we like this. Like, I don't look like, it looks natural and I don't look like clumpy make clumps her. The formula is the bed. Like, we love it. So far we're in love with the mascara. Love. I appreciate that. All right, last product, I got lipstick. Y'all know how I feel about lipstick. So this lipstick is called Napa. Okay, it's purple. I picked it because I was like, it's purple, I want purple. Again, love the packaging. Love it. Love the packaging. Honestly, I was skeptical about a lipstick. I wanted a purple because I feel like I can't go wrong with purple. You know, red, sometimes you be like, we're gonna see. First, let me prep my lips first, because we never know if this is gonna dry my lips or make my lips crack, or I don't know what. My lips are already dry from wintertime. It is wintertime and it's unpredictable weather. Now let's try this lipstick. Okay, so far the application is smooth. Okay, so what I just did was to see if it applies well with one swipe of the brush instead of sticking the brush back in. I want to see how it was gonna go. This doesn't look purple to me at all. It looks a little pink on me. We don't think this is matte. I think this is satin. It's called Lip Velvet. So I don't know if it's matte or not, but it is super moisturizing. I like that it went on really smooth. I would say that I would add a liner to this. Let me do that. So for me, I thought this was going to be a deeper purple, but it's kind of pink on me. We like that it's velvet and it blends with liners. So it says allow 10 minutes for product to fully dry. It is very creamy. It is very, very creamy, and I really enjoy that about lipstick. So it doesn't seem like it's drying out my lips at all. I would say that I like a little darker, but I mean, it was fixed with the lip liner. So Clove and Hallow, if you have any lip liners that you want me to try, we definitely can do that. I do like the lipstick. I'm not a fan of the color initially without the liner, so, but I do like the lipstick. All in all, I give it a 3 out of 5 because I like all 3 products out of 5 products. I loved the bronzer. It really wasn't a bronzer. It was like powder for me, but the powder actually helped me. We love the mascara and we semi like the lipstick. I would say that I'm not a big fan of the eyeshadow. One, because the brush does not pick it up, which makes me say like, oh, the brush is maybe a little bit too soft. It doesn't up those like, doesn't slip up those like eyeshadows and then lay them like just seamlessly upon my face. Also, I feel like these colors aren't colors for dark skinned women like me. So I'll probably try another. I mean, like when I did the finger swatch, they definitely showed up, but when I'm applying with the brush, which is what I do, they don't show up as much. I would say all in all, I've enjoyed the products, but they do require a lot of work. One, making eyeshadow colors for melon skin pigmented. Like the packaging and how it looked, but getting the products out of the packaging was a struggle. I say this formula in this mascara is to die for. I love how thin and natural they look, but also they're very elongated, so we appreciate that. Okay, now the lipstick is dry, so it's matting out. Yeah, I would say make this lipstick a little bit darker. Well, I look at the lipstick on the website, and to me it was darker than this, you know. So that is it, guys, for this review. Once again, thank you to Clove Hallow for sending me this product and letting me review your products. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Also, subscribe to my channel, guys. Like, man, I'm doing these reviews and all these other things, and hopefully these are things you want to see. And if there's something you really want to see, make sure you comment down below. Your comments, I read them, I answer them. I love them. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. So definitely comment below if there's something you want to see, or if you just enjoyed this video, comment below, let me know. And we will see you in the next video. I love you lots. Alright, guys, this is a full day of me wearing this makeup. I did not apply anything. You can see I'm oily right there, but I'm generally oily on my nose, so that's nothing. I'm not as oily as I used to be, so I would say the bronzer all over is a good touch. I did eat a full meal, and I'm trying to get close to my lips so you can see. Like, the lipstick did not come off, which I appreciate. It did not come off at all, so I really love the lipsticks. Actually, it did crease. So the eyeshadow creased a little bit of a full day without me prepping, so that means the eyeshadow requires prepping my eyes first. This is my full day of wearing makeup, wearing Clove Hallow, full day, and I'm satisfied with the lipstick, of course. Yeah, it was a great day.